Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Sagar and in this video we'll see about views. So in our last video, I told you that we can consume these queries using views as well. So in this video we are going to see what are views. If I tell you in simple terms, views are nothing. They use the query to display the data, but one thing to remember in views that they do not store data on themselves. Basically they use the query, they generated data during the runtime. So you can say it's kind of a read only, and they do not have the physical existence of data. So that's why it is called view as well. So I will create a view first. Okay, I will say new item here. So for that I will go to data model. I can go to my view. Here I can say say view example, something like this. I will say add. So this will add a view for me, and here you can give a label to your view. I can say all invoiced view, and I can save this. Okay, and now here you can specify the query. So the query that I have created, AOT query, where is that? Let me AOT Query View. So let me click here and I will say query. So in our last video, if you can remember, we have created a query named as AOT Query PO invoice. So I'm going to select this query and I will save it. Alright, and then if you will see here, my query is already added, and here if you see, currently I don't have any fields available. So if I'll try to browse this view, I will not get any data. So I need to specify what all fields I need inside my view. Okay, so what I will do, I will try to replicate this. So I will say I need purchase order, vendor count, invoice account. Let me add these three fields. So I will expand my field node. So the first field was purchase ID. Where is purchase ID? Here we go, purchase ID. And here also you have this option, you can select field and then you can select the data source and field, but again, like it totally depends. So if you see here, currently I copied and pasted, it is coming automatically. So I can copy this purchase status as well. Let me search for my account number, or even I can search here as well. Say account. Okay, here we go, both order account and invoice account. I will copy. The order account is the correct. Okay, so let me add only these three fields. Now you can do a lot of other things in view as well. You can create a computed columns. I've already posted the video related how we can even add computed columns in your views, data entities. So we can perform all those operations as well. And so what I will do a build, then we can simply browse our table, and this view will, at the back end, it is going to use this query. Okay, and from this query data source, we dragged all the fields that are required. Similarly, you can have multiple data sources here, and you can not only add query, you can even add table as well. the normal tables inside your views. And so what I will do a build. So this is also another way how you can consume your queries, especially AOT queries, especially in your views. So we will wait, for this build to get completed, then we'll see the results in our front end. Alright, so my build is completed, and now if you'll try to browse this view, so you can see I'm getting my exact output. So I have invoice account, order count, and purchase ID here. And one more thing is that now you can use this views in your form, mainly use views into your forms. And even if you will go to main all purchase order form, and if you'll apply filter here, so we should get the exact count. Apply the filter here. Yeah. So further in views, you can create computed columns, and you can do more complex, logic, and then you can bind your views to your form. Thanks for watching this video.